Do you know that over 80% of Indian men aged between 18 to 29 have googled how to grow a beard faster? Now hold on to the random thought because I swear in just 2 minutes this fact will make a lot of sense. So let's get straight to the point. India is not playing the Asia Cup 2025. Not the men's team, not the women's team. Both of them are out. And no, this is not a scheduling issue, a venue issue, or a political flex. This is much deeper. It is a mix of cricket, power, pride, and a powerful chair. Quite literally just a chair. Now you might ask that what does a chair have to do with India skipping an entire tournament? And no, I am not talking about India's best scripter Jai Shah. Well, the Asia Cricket Council is the body that organizes the Asia Cup. And just guess who is sitting on that powerful chairman's seat? Mohsin Naqvi, Pakistan's interior minister. And at the same time, the chairman of Pakistan's cricket board. One guy and two powerful roles, but now he is running the Asia Cricket Council. Now just think that you are an Indian, your emotions are heated, and just days ago, a tragic terrorist attack happened in Pahalgam, Jammu and Kashmir. And India responded with a full-scale military operation called Operation Sindoor. So at this point, with emotions, politics and pride boiling over, do you really think India is going to play a tournament led by a Pakistani minister? Definitely not.
Definitely not.
That is why the BCCI has decided not to play a tournament unless there is change in Pakistan. Remember how I said that 70% of Indian guys Google how to grow a beard faster? It's not just about looking good. It's about feeling manly, owning your identity and standing your ground. And right now the BCCI is doing exactly that. It is standing its ground. It is a statement of pride and not just a sporting decision. So what does this mean for the Asia Cup and how much loss can we see? Broadcasters like Sony are sweating, sponsors are stressed, and fans who wait for matches for India to defeat Pakistan are disappointed. And let's be honest, Asia Cup without India is like vada pav without chutney. Still tasty but completely dry. Some sources say that Asia Cup might be shifted to Sri Lanka or Dubai. Others say it might get cancelled altogether. Who knows? Back in 2023, India refused to play in Pakistan and matches were moved to Sri Lanka. In 2025, India played the Champions Trophy in Dubai. But the big difference now is that India isn't saying we won't travel. India is saying we won't play. That is like leaving the party in between but also switching off the music. Now this is where I want your opinion. Do you think India made the right call? Should we have played and let our cricket do the talking, or was this a perfect response to a sensitive political situation? Drop your opinion in the comments because I really want to know what you think. I am Vivan Manish Tiwari and this is Neat Sports, the home for all Indian athletes.